Have you ever wondered why the Amazon rainforest, a place you may never visit, is so crucial to your very breath? Imagine a colossal, verdant expanse teeming with life stretching over 2.7 million square miles across 9 countries. This is the Amazon rainforest, a place of unparalleled biodiversity and a significant contributor to the oxygen we breathe. The Amazon is often referred to as the lungs of our planet, and for a good reason. It's a massive, natural air purifier. Through photosynthesis, the countless trees and plants in the Amazon absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and release oxygen back into the atmosphere. This process is fundamental to life on Earth as we know it, and the Amazon is a key player, producing more than 20% of the world's oxygen. But the Amazon's role in our global ecosystem doesn't stop at oxygen production. It is also a critical carbon sink, absorbing billions of tons of carbon dioxide that would otherwise add to the greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. By doing so, the Amazon helps to regulate the global climate, keeping global warming in check. All of this is possible due to the sheer size and biodiversity of the Amazon. It is home to over 400 billion individual trees representing 16,000 species and a countless number of animal species, many of which are not found anywhere else in the world. This staggering diversity makes the Amazon unique among Earth's ecosystems. However, the Amazon isn't just a place of enormous trees and exotic animals, it's a complex, interconnected system where each organism, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, plays a part in maintaining the balance. The health of the Amazon affects the health of our entire planet. So as you can see, the Amazon isn't just a far-off jungle, it's the very lungs of our planet. It's a vast, living system that breathes in carbon dioxide and exhales oxygen, helping to maintain the delicate balance of life on Earth. It's a place of extraordinary diversity and complexity, a testament to the richness and wonder of nature. And most importantly, it's a place that we need to protect, not just for its own sake, but for the sake of all life on Earth. But the Amazon rainforest, our planet's lungs, is under threat. Do you know what those threats are? The main threat to the Amazon rainforest is deforestation. With each tree that falls, a piece of this intricate ecosystem, this verdant world brimming with life, is lost. The Amazon holds an estimated 400 billion individual trees representing over 16,000 species. Each tree plays a role in the forest's symphony, contributing to the balance of carbon and oxygen in our world. But why should we care? It's not just about the trees, it's about the biodiversity they support. The Amazon is a treasure trove of life, home to 1 in 10 known species in the world. From the smallest insects to the majestic jaguar, every creature plays a part in this complex web of life. When a tree falls, it's not just timber, it's a habitat, a food source, a piece of the puzzle that keeps this ecosystem running. But the threats go beyond biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is a key player in our planet's climate regulation. It's a natural air conditioner, absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and releasing oxygen. With deforestation, we're not just losing trees. We're losing a vital carbon sink and gaining a carbon source as the dead trees release stored carbon back into the atmosphere. This accelerates global warming, contributing to more extreme weather events and rising sea levels. And let's not forget the impact on our health. The Amazon's trees produce 20% of the world's oxygen. They're our shared lungs, and right now, they're gasping for breath. When we harm the Amazon, we're not just harming a remote part of the world, we're harming ourselves. We're compromising the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the stability of our climate. The Amazon's health is our health, and right now, our shared lungs are gasping for breath. But who are the caretakers of these vital lungs? Who holds the fate of the Amazon in their hands? Enter the indigenous tribes of the Amazon, the true guardians of this vibrant ecosystem. For millennia, they have lived harmoniously with the rainforest, understanding its rhythms and respecting its boundaries. They have not simply survived, but thrived in this dense, complex environment, developing a deep-rooted symbiosis with the land. These tribes, each with their unique cultures and traditions, are the custodians of the Amazon's rich biodiversity. They use their ancestral wisdom to protect the forest, employing sustainable practices that allow them to take what they need without disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Their intimate knowledge of the Amazon's flora and fauna is unparalleled, a living library of the rainforest's secrets. But this invaluable knowledge is under threat. The relentless march of deforestation and industrialization encroaches on their lands, disrupting their way of life and threatening the very existence of these tribes. These guardians face a daily struggle against powerful interests seeking to exploit the Amazon's resources. They are on the front lines, fighting to preserve not only their homes but the health of our entire planet. Their resilience, courage, and determination are a testament to their love for the Amazon and their commitment to its preservation. The guardians of the Amazon are fighting to preserve not only their homes, but the health of our entire planet. But what can we, sitting thousands of miles away from the Amazon, do to help protect it? It may seem like a daunting task, but there are actually several ways we can contribute to the protection of this precious ecosystem. Firstly, we can start by being more mindful of our consumption. The products we buy and the food we eat can have a direct impact on the Amazon. For instance, reducing our consumption of paper can significantly decrease the demand for logging. Similarly, cutting down on our beef intake can help curb the demand for land to raise cattle, which is a leading cause of deforestation in the Amazon. In addition to this, we can also support organizations that are working tirelessly to protect the Amazon and its indigenous tribes. These organizations rely heavily on donations and volunteers to carry out their work. So whether it's a monetary contribution or donating your time, every bit helps. Furthermore, spreading awareness about the plight of the Amazon can also make a huge difference. Share information with your friends, family, and social networks. Encourage them to join the cause. Remember, change often starts with a conversation. Finally, we can put pressure on our governments and corporations to enforce and adopt more sustainable practices. After all, they are the ones with the power to implement large-scale changes. Remember, every breath you take is a gift from the Amazon. It's our responsibility to ensure it keeps on giving.